Ka sarkar jela kelapan syushu ya keyboard pahara ban penklain ya kajing pahara ha ki jaka kaput namal kajing senjor ka sensyar khadar bat kasuk kasain hari Bangladesh nala kajing persyang jong kibru ban wan prungtu sepok kari India. Ula ong ba ula kerpa ya ke sarkar India ling ba menteri kam poying ba ladadan kam ai syushu ya keyboard pahara ban penklain ya kajing pahara ha kaput ong menteri rang ba kajela Konrad K. Sangma hadin kajingnya kendu yau Menteri Kampo Iyeng Kari Amit Shah New Delhi ban yakren nalo kajinglong jingman napo kijaka kaput.
Today, the Honorable Deputy Chief Minister of Meghalaya and myself had a review meeting along with the Home Minister of India, Shri Amit Shah ji, to review the overall situation at the border area, keeping in mind the current situation that the country of Bangladesh is going through. In the review meeting, we have briefed the Honorable Home Minister that there was good work that is going on by the BSF and the Army, and very strict monitoring is being done currently by these two forces. And at the same time, the Meghalaya police also is on high alert. We also informed him that we have put night curfew all along the international border to further strengthen the overall security scenario in the border zone. We reiterated to the Honorable Home Minister that we should not allow at this point in time any individuals to cross the border, as the matter is very, very sensitive, and in detail discussions were done on that matter, and the Home Minister has further stated in the meeting that the Government of India is not going to allow any individual to cross over, and all the measures are being taken to ensure that the border is securely guarded so that no movement takes place across the border. Apart from that, we have also urged the Government of India through the Honorable Home Minister that if necessary, more manpower can be provided along the border areas so that the security can be reinforced. And to that, the Honorable Home Minister said he will examine the scenario and the situation and take necessary actions if necessary.